In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best plasma cutters available on the market. We research web and read lots of real user reviews before creating the plasma cutter list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the plasma cutter mentioned, be sure to check the description. Subscribe to our channel. And press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5, HZXVOGEN HVC 6000 Pro Plasma Cutter. The HZXVOGEN HVC 6000 Pro Plasma Cutter is a state-of-the-art machine designed for multifaceted metalworking applications. Boasting a built-in air compressor and inverter welding capabilities, it caters to a diverse range of materials, including copper and stainless steel. The integrated air pump not only streamlines the cutting process but also enhances overall efficiency, making it a comprehensive solution for professionals and enthusiasts alike engaged in various metal fabrication projects. With its user-friendly interface and compact design, the HVC 6000 Pro stands out as a reliable and convenient tool for those seeking a versatile and all-encompassing plasma cutting experience. Number 4. ANDELI Cut 60 Pro Plasma Cutter. The ANDELI Cut 60 Pro Plasma Cutter is a cutting-edge solution in metal fabrication, featuring non-HF pilot arc cutting technology and an intelligent LCD display. The LCD display provides users with precise control and monitoring capabilities, ensuring optimal performance. Tailored for CNC applications, this plasma cutter combines power and precision, making it an indispensable tool for those engaged in intricate metal cutting projects. Its sleek design and advanced features make the Cut 60 Pro a standout choice for professionals and hobbyists seeking a reliable, high-performance plasma cutting solution. If you want to get more information and buy this plasma cutter, please check the link in description. Number 3. HITBOX HBC 5555A Plasma Cutter. The HITBOX HBC 5555A Plasma Cutter is a robust and versatile machine engineered for cutting through an array of metals, including carbon steel, stainless steel, and aluminum. With a substantial 55 amp capacity, it delivers a clean and efficient cut, making it suitable for both industrial and DIY metalworking applications. The HBC 5500 stands out for its reliability and precision, ensuring that users can achieve consistent and high-quality results in their metal cutting endeavors. Whether working with thin or thick materials, this plasma cutter proves to be an invaluable tool for those seeking a powerful and dependable cutting solution. Number 2, CNC Non-HF Pilot Arc Cut 55 CNC iYeah Plasma Cutter. The CNC Non-HF Pilot Arc Cut 55 by iYeah is a high-powered plasma cutter with CNC capabilities, offering versatility and precision in metal cutting. Compatible with both 110V and 220V power sources, this 55A IGBT machine comes equipped with a PT60/PTM60 straight torch for seamless cutting up to 25 mm thickness. The non-HF Pilot Arc ensures reliable and accurate performance, making it an ideal choice for intricate cutting tasks. The iYeah CNC Plasma Cutter combines power and ease of use, making it a valuable asset for professionals and enthusiasts alike engaged in a variety of metalworking projects. This plasma cutter link in description. You can check more information and buy here. Number 1, Herocut Cut 55P Plasma Cutter. The Herocut Cut 55P Plasma Cutter takes the top spot with its cutting-edge features, including a non-touch pilot arc and a 50 amp IGBT inverter. Engineered for maximum cutting thickness of 16 mm, this machine stands out as a powerful and efficient tool for a wide range of metal cutting applications. The non-touch pilot arc technology ensures precision and reliability, making it an excellent choice for professionals demanding high-performance standards in their metal fabrication work. With its innovative design and advanced features, the Cut 55P from Herocut establishes itself as a leading option for those seeking a top-tier plasma cutting machine capable of delivering superior results.